Purnima Devi from SNSCT. Now I taken on case study problem handwriting recognition that analyze how to use it in a neural network and how it can be analyze our training data and how it can be processed in the hidden layers, and also it has to be how to improve our output data in this handwrite recognition problem. Handwrite recognition is a text recognition technique. It recognizing or interpreting handwritten data into machine readable output. Recent advancements in deep learning, such as advent of transformer architecture, have fast-tracked our progress in cracking handwritten recognition. Recognizing handwriting test is termed intelligent character recognition, that is called it to be an ICR. That fact that the algorithm need to solve ICR need more intelligence than solving generic OCR. In this we are a task about for handwriting recognition, and it have many challenges in this problem. It have huge variety and ambiguity of strokes from person to person. That handwriting has to be changed to one person to another. It have been included in the training data about the handwriting. The handwriting style of individual person also varies. That is, some persons handwrite in normal letters, and some persons in some italic letters, and some persons of cursive letters. The poor quality of source document or image due to decoration, and the text has to be printed in document strict in straight lines. The humans need not write a line of text in a straight line on paper. Cursive writing makes separation and recognition of characters challenges, and that normal letters have some different font size and the cursive letters have some different font size, and these all has to be included in the training data. The text in handwriting have variable rotation to the right, which is contrast to print text, and the collecting of good labeled data set is notch and compared with synthetic data. These all has to be included in the training data set. This has to be given training to the machine in the hidden layers, that is layer 1 and layer 2 and layer 3. This layer 1 is an input layer x1. The number of training data has to be included in this hidden layer. These layer 2, layer 3 and layer 4 are the hidden layers. These to be processed. It's like our neurons, brain neurons. This number of layer can be made. If you increase the number of layer, the accuracy level has to be attained our predictable data. And the h theta of x is an output. The output has to be in our predictable data. And now I discuss about what is the difference between the machine learning and deep learning. The hierarchical layer of machine learning is typically shallow architectures, and the deep learning have many layers, that is hidden layers. There are number of layers we have that in this hidden layers. The next one is future attraction in manual. Machine learning have manual future extraction, and the deep learning have automatic future extraction. The automatic has to the machine has to be accessed in automatic. The algorithm has to be given to the developer. And the future learning, the machine learning have limited ability to learn complex features, and the deep learning have hierarchical features. The performance of machine learning is complex, limitation to complex tasks, and this especially deep learning have excels in big data. The data requirements in machine learning is limited, and the data requirement in this data deep learning is it have more number of data has to be needed. That is training data, number of training data is needed in this deep learning. That then only it will analyze which problem has to be occurred, and the given weights to the input based on the training data and the features of this data based on our problem. The training complexity is similar to train, and in deep learning it requires substantial computation power, and the domain capacity is needed domain specific tuning, and it can generalize the domains. Applications of machine learning is future representation, and in the deep learning is a hierarchical representation. The interpretability of machine learning, it offer in better interoperability and the deep learning has black box testing also. The algorithm of machine learning has SVM, random forest, and then etc. But in deep learning, it have more realized on neural networks. The computational demand in machine learning is very lighter, and the computational demand on deep learning is very computational, heavy computational demand. And the scalability in machine learning is limitations of scalable, and that increased data resources in the deep learning. Thank you.